morning, friend. Today I am going to speak about myself. My name is Dheeraj Balaji Mane. I am 12 years old. I live in Ausa with my family. My school name is Sri Mukteshwar Vidyalaya Ausa. There are 4 members in my family. My father name is Balaji Mane. He is a farmer. My mother name is Suvarna Mane. She is a housewife. My brother name is Suraj Mane. He is studying in 10th class. My favorite subject is English. My favorite teacher is Vaksesar. My favorite movie is Chhawa. My favorite my favorite color is red. My favorite food is a pani puri. My ideal person is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. I want to become IIT engineer. Thank you.